I started working in Benilde 2002, right after college, and then my contract was for 6 months lang. And then I worked outside, worked in different studios, freelance. But all this time, I was doing freelance projects, scoring, and mga ganun.
I chose De La Salle College of Civil because I have that certain skills in terms of arts. And I think that De La Salle College of Civil gives a course that can make me become better at what I do and what I know.
The learning environment in our school, for at least for the audio track, is nice and it's perfect. We're lucky to have these facilities because in other schools where I have also taught before, wala silang ganito. As in, it's like 40 people to one workstation. Here we have like 10 studios, small cubicles, 10 studios and then one lab. You know, each cubicle can hold at least four people or a pair at least. Pag hindi masikip yung lab, 1:1 yun. So, okay talaga, panalo siya. Kasi karamihan sa amin, o halos lahat sa amin, practitioner. So, hindi kami yung mga textbook teacher na natuto lang na nagtuturo ayon sa libro. Hindi, nagtuturo kami ayon sa experiences namin.
Being an art student, I have to become more competent in what I do. And since studios can give you that experience first, and then later on I can be whatever I want. I can be a freelance, or I can work to a bigger company that can support my skills. So I'm proud to be an MMA student because it helped me think a lot, making extraordinary things that feels something achieving. MMA is really a good course to be in. Personally, I really love it. The first time I went inside, I know it's a course for me. And it really helped me become a good artist in terms of designing, discipline, and most of all, being but an artist itself.
My favorite place in the whole SDA is definitely the Audio Lab. Why? Because it's a very quieter environment. I am relaxed. I'm able to do so much work. I'm very productive in this area. I don't know, this area just calls to me. Every time I'm here, I just feel comfortable and focused. Especially pag marami talaga akong ginagawa. It really feels, hindi siya parang office, pero hindi rin siya parang bahay. It's somewhere in between. What do I usually do? Yun nga, work. If I'm not really working, I just relax. Another reason why I like to stay in this room, it also helps me keep in touch with my other co-teachers. Ako kasi yung naatasang maging track head ng audio. So, by being here, I can monitor my colleagues, my friends. If there are problems, at least I'm on hand, on site, agad, so they can call me, pare, may problema, ganyan. If there are things that need to be clarified, I'm there. If there are requests, I'm there, and stuff like that.
Me working, when people find out that I'm from CSP and I talk to multimedia, it's like I'm a level higher. I mean, not to boast or anything, but that's what I'm proud of. That's like, the education that I got. People know how valuable that is. And I'm sure that's something that all students should be proud of, especially